828 Find Adventure here. I've got a new gizmo that goes into the hitch of your vehicle. It's a 2-inch receiver hitch, so I believe that's the only size they make, but this is a Hitch Skid. So if you come off a steep drop-off while off-roading or whatever you're doing, you won't rip your bumper off. It'll just kind of skid down. So let's go check it out. Whether you own a truck, a van, or any other vehicle, this 2-inch receiver hitch skid is something to have. It can be used for protecting the rear of your vehicle as well as a recovery point. And its main use is to protect the rear bumper when you come off a ledge while off-roading. The skid is very easy to attach to your receiver hitch of your vehicle and provides some protection from rear end damage caused by those careless drivers out there. So the skid really has many functions: protecting of your vehicle while off-roading, recovery of your vehicle or your trail buddies, and protecting your vehicle from careless drivers running into the back of you. The skid also has places pre-drilled to mount reverse or trailer LED light pods, which is something I'm going to do real soon, so be sure and subscribe so you can see the updates on that. As you can see, it is really well made. 1/4-inch steel is just really thick and heavy duty. You can see the pre-drilled sections for the LED light pods, the recovery point to put a D-ring, and it has this nice thick piece of nylon that is bolted on in case you skid on something like a rock surface or something like that coming off a ledge. Don't forget that it also has this really neat recovery point welded on top where you can put a D-ring, and then you can hook up your ropes or whatever to pull your friend up a hill or get yourself pulled out of a situation. It's a really nice thing to have as an extra on this hitch skid. Well, I hope you liked that video on the Hitch Skid. It's pretty cool. It's heavy duty. If somebody rear ends you, oh my gosh, it's going to destroy their vehicle. But that's not what it's for. It's for recovery, or if you're coming off a steep drop-off while you're off-roading. Now, I will only use it for recovery if I get stuck in the mud or snow. The part where, you know, it helps when going down a steep drop-off when you're off-roading, probably won't use it for that. I do mostly soft-roading. So anyways, I hope you liked this video. If you thought it was informative about this, and if you've been looking for one, please hit the subscribe button. And if you would, hit the thumbs up while you're there. I'd really appreciate it. And I have the sun reflecting on my chin. It's really funny in this video. Anyways, I will see you next time. I got lots of stuff coming, so hang in there. More videos every week. See you later. See ya.